Hi guys, I am Dominic Ababon, and in this video, I'm going to tackle about the Quartz family. Let's start. What is quartz? Quartz is a chemical compound consisting of one part of silicon and two parts of oxygen. It is a silicon dioxide. It is the most abundant mineral found on the Earth's surface, and its unique properties make it one of the useful natural substance. Where does quartz found? Quartz is the most abundant and widely distributed minerals found at Earth's surface. It is present and plentiful in all parts of the world. It forms in all temperature. It is abundant in igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rocks. What are the uses of quartz? Quartz uses to make oscillators for glass, watches, clocks, radios, televisions, electronic games, computers, cell phones, electronic meters, and GPS equipment. There are two major categories of quartz, and these are macrocrystalline varieties and microcrystalline varieties. Macrocrystalline. The crystalline varieties are those that occurs in distinct, visible crystal. It includes the more transparent to translucent stones: amethyst, smoky quartz, citrine, rose quartz, and milky quartz. The color origins in the crystalline quartz are the complex and are only now beginning to be fully understood. Rock crystals. Rock crystals are the most sought after crystals by minerals collectors. It is believed that the transparent, colorless rock crystal is like a pigmented ice. It occurs mainly in pigmental fissures and geodes in various rocks. It is used to be optical and piezoelectrical purposes in the industry. Amethyst is a transparent violet or purple variety of quartz. The color is due to the presence of trace elements of ferric iron, which turn white when heated to 300 degrees Celsius, 571 degrees Fahrenheit, when to yellow or citrine at 500 degrees Celsius and 932 degrees Fahrenheit, but becomes violet again if exposed to X-ray or bombarded with a particle. The name amethyst is from the Greek word amethystos. It means not drunken. Brown quartz. The variety smoky quartz is pale beige, tan, brown, or deep brown in color. Very dark brown material is known as either Orion or Carangon. The letter from the locality in the Carangon Mountains, Scotland. The color appears to be caused by the natural radioactivity. Yellow quartz. Citrine is a yellow or brown variety of quartz. The color is due to the inclusions of colloidal iron hydrates in it. It turns white if heated and dark brown if exposed to X-ray. It is widely used as an imitations of the more expensive gemstones, topaz. It is called as Brazilian topaz. Rose quartz. As its name implies, the color of this variety is pink or rarely rose red. This is due to the presence of manganese. The material is nearly always cloudy or translucent, rarely transparent. Milky quartz. The milkiness is due to the myriad tiny cavities and bubbles filled with CO2 or water. Vein quartz is oftenly white and frequently contains gold. The quartz is little used in gems except cups with milky quartz and yellow gold. Expect amethyst citrine. The material, also known as ametrine, pristine, and so forth. Cut gems display both violet and yellow colors, sometimes in a striking zonal pattern. The words amethyst and citrine were combined to yield the name ametrine, which is widely used in the gemstone trade. Cryptocrystalline. This is the classifications on that sometimes also be known as microcrystalline quartz, or simply as chalcedony. It includes the translucent to opacate stones, such as chalcedony itself, carnelian, onyx, agate, and jasper. These stones forms such as incredibly tiny crystals that they often can't be seen even under significant magnifications. Chalcedony. Chalcedony is a compact crystalline varieties of quartz, which is usually bands of fibrous structure, alternating with microrangular bands are seen in these varieties. Agate. This is name oftenly given to banded variety of cryptocrystalline quartz, which generally show two or more colors. It includes the varieties Tertella agate, Dendritic agate, Chrysolite agate, and most agate. Carnelian. Carnelian is unvaryingly colored, like the dark brown variety of chalcedony. The orange-red color is due to the presence of verified particles of hematite or limonite, traditionally used as seals. Onyx. Onyx is a variety of agate which alternating parallel layers of black and white lines. It also have red and white bands. Such as onyx are often employed in cameo carving. Jasper. usually a mass of tiny silica crystal pigmented by impurities. The color may be very strong, especially shades of brown, yellow, red, and green jasper. Occur worldwide. Orbicular jasper has a sphere rule of banded agate in a jasper matrix. Scenic or picture jasper have fanciful patterns that may resemble scenery such as ocean waves, shore, and rolling hills.